If you run a small business or handle your own finances, you have probably heard the name QuickBooks. But what exactly does it do, how does it work, and is it really worth using? In this video, we will break down QuickBooks in simple terms so you can decide whether it is the right accounting tool for your business. QuickBooks is one of the most popular accounting software solutions in the world. Developed by Intuit, it helps businesses track income, manage expenses, handle taxes, and keep financial records organized. Since its launch in the early 1990s, QuickBooks has grown into a complete suite of tools that support millions of businesses across the globe. Before we explore how it works, let us look at the different versions available. QuickBooks comes in 3 main forms, each designed for different types of users. Understanding these versions will help you choose the one that fits your business needs. QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is the most popular and widely used version. It is cloud-based, meaning you do not need to install anything. You simply log in through your browser or mobile app and your data is always up to date. QuickBooks Online is known for its clean interface, simple navigation, and beginner-friendly design. It includes features like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, payroll integration, and financial reporting. Most small and medium-sized businesses prefer this version because it is easy to use and accessible from anywhere. QuickBooks Desktop. QuickBooks Desktop is the original software that you install directly onto your computer. It is packed with features and offers powerful tools for businesses that want more advanced customization. However, it also comes with a steeper learning curve and an older-style interface that many beginners find challenging. Intuit has also announced that several desktop versions will no longer be sold to new customers. QuickBooks Enterprise will still remain available, but it is mainly suited for larger businesses that need multiple users and more complex reporting. QuickBooks Solopreneur. QuickBooks Solopreneur is a lighter cloud-based version designed for freelancers, contractors, and solo business owners. It offers essential bookkeeping features such as expense tracking, self-assessment support, and basic financial reports. It is perfect for individuals who do not need the full functionality of QuickBooks Online. Now that we know the versions, let us look at what QuickBooks actually does for your business. QuickBooks helps you track income from clients or customers, send professional invoices, record expenses and categorize them automatically, connect your bank account for real-time updates, generate financial reports like profit and loss statements, prepare for tax season with accurate records, manage payroll if you hire employees. These features help you understand your cash flow, avoid errors, and stay compliant with tax requirements. Who needs QuickBooks? QuickBooks is suitable for small businesses, growing companies, freelancers and contractors, retail shops, service-based businesses, e-commerce sellers, anyone who wants organized financial records. You do not need accounting experience to use it. QuickBooks is built to guide beginners while still offering advanced tools for experienced users. QuickBooks is more than just accounting software. It is a complete financial management system that helps you stay organized, save time, and understand how your business is performing. Whether you choose QuickBooks Online, Desktop, or Solopreneur, each version gives you reliable tools to manage your accounts with confidence. If you find this overview helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's official channel for more videos on business tools, finance, and technology. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.